I'll teach you how to make amazing rigid body animations with Blender in under 2 minutes. If you stick around to the end, you'll probably learn something new. So we're going to start by deleting everything, and then we're going to add a cube and scale that cube on the X and Y directions by 50, so S-Shift-Z 50. Then we're going to go to the X view and add another cube, move over here with G and Control. Now we'll go to the Physics tab and add a rigid body simulation. We'll do the same for the bottom cube, except for this time we're going to set it to passive. Now we need to duplicate our cube a few times, so press Shift D and Control to move it over to, and then you can press Shift and R to repeat. Then we can do the same thing in the Z direction, so highlight them all, press Shift D and Control to move them up to, then press Shift R to repeat. Now we can do the same in the X direction, so highlight them all, go to the Z view, and then you can move them over with G and Control to this line here, and then press Shift D and R to duplicate them. Now we're going to go to the X view and add an icosphere. We can set the subdivisions to 5 and we can scale it by 2. Then we can move it up, give it rigid body simulation and turn the weight up to 80 kilos. Next, there's only one more thing we need to do before running the animation, which is deleting these 8 cubes. Now we should be ready to just press our spacebar and run the animation. But as you can see, the effect's quite weak. We can fix this by scaling up the ball. Now I think it looks a lot better. I'll probably have another video on how to render this in the future, so look out for that. In the meantime, go watch my other videos, that help me out a lot. And if you've got any recommendations or requests for tutorials, put them in the comment section. And as always, have fun, goodbye.